What is this one?
So,
You know, Empress isn't here this morning, so I'm not as stressed. Empress, I don't mean to that. But I definitely need a few of these soy candles to relax, right? They are Jamaican made, and the founder of Jewel Plum J.A. Is it Unique?
Yes.
Unique Bailey is here to set the mood. Good morning.
Good morning.
Welcome to Smile
how
Jamaica.
are you?
Thank you.
Which one
You're
is
unique,
this?
or you jump from June Plum to Jewel Plum?
I know.
What is this? What is this one?
That's passion fruit guava.
Passion fruit guava.
Right.
So what? Tell me about this. What is this? Where did
Started
this
a year
start?
ago.
Started a year ago.
Why?
My friend and I, my boyfriend and I, we were having a drink. We were watching videos on YouTube. The videos were showing you how to cut bottles and stuff, and we decided that it would be a cool idea. We decided to start making candles. It was close to Mother's Day, so we advertised to our friends, convinced them to buy candles, and that's how we started.
How you get this scent? How you get this scent?
We purchased the fragrances.
Okay.
All right, I think well now you look very fancy, but you started out in a red stripe bottle.
Yes.
And do you still keep that kind of thing about? Because I see wine glasses,
Yeah.
I see cups. So you put it in just about anything.
Anything. Well, anything except plastic.
Okay.
How you get it to set inside you? What you do? It
So
starts with
the
liquid.
wax comes hard. It comes in flakes. We melt it, add the fragrance or the color like this one, and then we pour it in whatever container. Then we just leave it to set.
So what are the different scents you have?
Lemongrass. This one is lemongrass. We
Which
have
one? This one?
yes, this one. Both of them. We have
Yeah.
honeysuckle jasmine. This one smells good. We have coconut, coffee,
Yeah, this is nice. Smell this
peach,
nice. A little bit
orange,
sweet, a little bit
everything.
too.
Yeah.
Vanilla, peach, coconut, jasmine. See, me not gonna tell you now, right? But this look like after Unique and the gentleman finish drink them, just broke the bottle and say
Right.
make a candle.
The
Just
best
like that.
love is the kind that awakens the soul, that makes us reach for more, that plants the fire in our hearts and brings peace to our minds. That's what I hope to give you forever.
So a customer wanted that. She wanted a wine glass with 2 different colors and that coat on it for a
Nice, see?
So if you like this, you're not gonna break the glass, please?
No. If the glass doesn't have a crack, it's fine. So if the
It doesn't have a crack.
right. So like this one, it has a crack. If you light it, it just falls apart. But once it doesn't have a crack, it's fine.
Well, it gets warm and fun. And I see you have some with that you can put pictures on it so you can
Yes,
personalize
so-
it. This one says feminist Chimanda Ngozi Adichie.
So you're not
Yellow
with my
sun.
picture on it.
No. I can do that for you, Neville.
We
Simple
never know
thing.
what that would have smell like. We never picture.
I don't know why you find that so funny.
So what I like about it too is, and we're seeing the bottles there.
Right.
You're repurposing
Right.
material as well, so that's great. Can I say to you, okay, so that same way you have the wine glass, and then can I say this is the smell I want, this is the color I want?
Yeah, you
So I
can.
can get everything really, really personalized.
Anything.
But which one
pictures,
to find you
quotes.
now, Unique?
On Instagram or Facebook. Or you could contact me via email at jewelplumjamaica@yahoo.com or call me at 363-3712.
Did we say soy?
Yes, soy.
All of it?
All of it.
Why so?
Yeah.
Why so?
Because soy is a healthier type of wax. It burns better. It holds the scent better than paraffin. Paraffin, it holds the color better as well. And it's healthier for the environment
Oh.
compared to paraffin.
I've never heard of soy candles,
No,
by the
I've
way.
never heard of
I've
soy
never heard of
candles.
Really?
I was just thinking
never heard of
about
soy
it.
candles.
So how much you sell them for?
The prices range from $1,000 to $5,000. So it depends on the size of the container and whatever you want to go on the container.
And if you put my picture on it, it's about $53,000, 40.
Yeah, true thing.
Still don't know what it's gonna smell like. So, you
Probably
might
smell
have
like-
liked it and run some roach.
Well, you have plenty of people that like me run some road. I did ask you the different scents, all of them. You
We have
told us all of them?
a whole lot of scents, but I told you a few
The
of
main
them.
one. So I can tell you the scent I liked and you go and you
Yes.
make that as well.
Yeah.
All right, how long does it take to do? So if I want to order something for Neville's birthday, do I have to come a week in advance, a month in advance?
A day.
A day?
Yes.
Oh, wow.
Take your hand out now, please. More spirulina.
May I try to think about this scent? I'm
We
going
can
to
work
hear.
on that.
More spirulina.
Spirulina in the candle? Why not? Why
Not
why,
a good
why not?
scent.
Why not vegan? Me,
You know, 7
me like a side vegan candle. Make it come up and light it.
I want spirulina.
Okay. But
Great
this
stuff.
is this is
Great
great,
stuff.
Irene.
Thank
I
you.
like this.
Yeah, man, great stuff.
Yeah.
And thanks for coming.
Thank you
and
for
good
having
luck
me.
with your thing.
Thank you very
Next time you
much.
come back, put my picture. And you
No
can
problem.
Sell that one for her. You'd have to frame it. You couldn't sell it.
True.
Put the picture on it. Out. She's the founder of Jewel Plum J.A. Unique Belly. There you go.
Lord,
You know, some cool.
getting it right with Jamaica. Look, man, when I stay for the